Here is another example of one of the casas Indianas in the Asturian town of Colombres. I came up here into this village because there is a museum of emigration. So talking about the Asturians that left their home country in the late 1800s and early 20th century to find fortune overseas in countries like Cuba, Mexico, Argentina. Some of them came back, and the ones that were successful were called Indianos, and they built phenomenal mansions here in town, and here is one of them. The whole path has actually been equipped with plaques here. It says La Huella Indiana, which means the trace of the Indianos. La Solana is the name of this house here, and you can see it's a very, very impressive villa here that has been built. The whole town of, actually here is La Solana as well in the brochure. This is a map of town that shows you that right here in this town, Colombres, there are 12 buildings or mansions, including the parish church as well as the city hall, that were built by these returning Indianos, the successful immigrants that made their fortune in Latin America and came back to Spain. So another piece of history, architecture and sociology all mixed together in one here in Colombres, Asturias.